Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we'll learn how to create a beautiful vase in FreeCAD using the Loft tool. We'll start by sketching on different planes, creating offset planes, attaching sketches, and finally lofting them together to form the vase shape. So let's get started. Here you can see a new FreeCAD document is opened. Make sure you're in the Part Design workbench. Click on the origin in the model tree to display all the default planes. Now, select the XY plane as the sketching plane. Go to the Tasks tab and click Create Sketch. Choose the XY plane for sketching. From the toolbar, select the Polygon tool and draw a polygon from the center of the origin. Press the Escape key to exit the tool. Now activate the Dimension tool and apply the required dimensions one by one. Once all dimensions are added, press Escape again to exit the tool. When finished, click Close to exit the sketch. Now go back to the Model tab. Let's create new planes for our loft sections. Click the Plane tool from the toolbar. Select the existing XY plane as the reference face and specify an offset value of 50 mm in the direction you want. Once done, press Enter to confirm. Repeat the same process to create two more planes. One with an offset of 100 mm and another with 150 mm. After confirming, you'll see three new planes created in the model tree. Now let's duplicate our first sketch for each plane. Right-click on Sketch and the menu bar appears. From there, select Copy. A dialog box appears. Make sure the XY plane option is unchecked, then confirm. Alright, in the model tree, right-click on the body and choose Paste. You'll see the new sketch appear in the list. Repeat this step two more times to create three copies of the original sketch. Now drag all three new sketches under the Origin node to organize them. To attach sketches to planes, select a plane first. Go to the toolbar and click on Attach a Sketch. A dialog box appears. Select the sketch you want to attach from the drop-down list and confirm it. You can now see the sketch attached to the selected plane in the graphics area. Repeat this process for the remaining planes and sketches. Once done, you'll see all three sketches aligned on their respective planes. Ready for lofting. Now let's rotate each sketch to give our vase a nice curved shape. Select Sketch 1, go to the Data tab, and change its angle value to 30 degrees. You'll see it rotate in the graphics area. Similarly, select Sketch 2 and set its angle to 60 degrees. Now it's time to create the vase body using the Loft tool. Select the first sketch, then activate the Loft tool from the toolbar. If any warning or error appears, you can ignore it for now. Click on Add section, then go to the Model tab and select Sketch 1. You'll see the preview of the loft begin to form. Then click Add section again and select Sketch 2. Finally, add Sketch 3 as the last section. Once all sections are added, you'll see a smooth loft preview connecting all sketches. Click OK to confirm and create the loft. Now switch to isometric view. OK, let's hollow out the vase using the thickness tool. First, hide the plane. Then select the top face of the vase. Then activate thickness from the toolbar. Specify the thickness value in the input field, for example, 1 mm. Click OK to confirm. Switch back to isometric view to check the result. The vase now has a beautiful hollow interior. To smooth out the sharp edges, activate the Fillet tool. Select all the edges one by one from the graphic area. Set an appropriate radius value and confirm it. You'll see the edges become nicely rounded, giving the vase a soft and elegant look. Now let's clean up the workspace. Hide all planes and the origin for a clearer view. Here you can see our vase model is now complete, created entirely using the Loft tool in FreeCAD. Let's rename the body for clarity. Right-click on the body, select Rename and type Vase. Now go to the View tab to change its appearance. A dialog box appears. Choose any color you like for the vase. Once done, confirm your selection. And that's it. We've successfully created a 3D vase in FreeCAD using the Loft tool. This method is great for making decorative shapes, bottles, or artistic designs. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more FreeCAD modeling videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.